So today we're going to be learning how to jump start a car. Very easy. So first, what you're gonna wanna do is have your jumper cables with you. This is my assistant, Alyssa.
Hello. My car's dead.
Yeah, her car's dead. So this is why we're doing this today. Okay, so first, we're gonna attach the cables to the good car. It doesn't really matter, but I was taught to put the good cables first on the good car. So you're gonna attach your black to your black. Which is negative. Thank you, Alyssa.
You're welcome.
She's teaching me. And then red to your positive. Okay. Make sure everything is correct. Black negative, red positive.
This is what your battery will look like, and you just have to take it off.
And then you take it off. Yes, there you go. So now that's attached. Okay, we got the cables here. They're not touching. Make sure they don't touch.
Black first to the back one.
So we're gonna put the negative on the negative. And the positive on the positive. Perfect. Okay, now what we're gonna want to do is start the car up. Now, the battery should be sending enough power to this blue Mazda over here that it should start up. Let's go! It's that easy. It's that easy. Hopefully no one gets hurt in the process, but it's very easy. After the bad car has started, you're gonna wanna let the car charge up for a bit. Maybe around 5-10 minutes. After that, it should be good. If not, then you probably need a new battery. All right, hope this helps somebody. Please like and subscribe. Peace.
It's like torture devices.
Put them on your nips, yeah.